How does that transit system get paid for? Now let's get to the money. We pay for transit service through taxes at the local and federal level. There are two major kinds of money. First, capital, which pays for costs like new construction for service lines or buying trains or EV buses. The second, operations, which covers things like paying the driver. The sources of money are different for both. When you ride the train or take the bus, the fares cover some operating costs, but not all. The federal government pays for most of the capital costs, but not operating, and so funds for operations are usually very tight. Transit is also funded through local sources like sales taxes and ballot measures. The federal dollars that flow into our communities follows this process. First, Congress passes the bills, then the president signs it into law. It then goes to the Department of Transportation to make the rules and guidelines for funding. At the Department of Transportation, it gets split within the various agencies like the Federal Transit Administration or Federal Highways Administration. It then goes to the eligible entities who determine how the money is spent. For example, some cities and states get the funds directly from the federal government to operate transit and transportation, like in New Jersey, where the state runs the transit system. And in other places like Los Angeles and Atlanta, the federal government writes a check to the large transit agencies directly.